these are the dinosaurs from Pee-wee's Big Adventure in Cabazon, California. So in Pee-wee's Big Adventure, there's a scene where he and this girl are up there, and the husband finds them and chases them with a big bone. So you gotta check that out. This is the area. It looks a little different now. So we're gonna go inside this brontosaurus. We're in the famous dinosaur. So Denny. Pretty cool, just a gift shop in the middle of a brontosaurus.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Very desert-like. Joshua Tree is basically where the Mojave Desert and the Colorado Desert meet. It's actually, in terms of acres, bigger than Rhode Island. Something really beautiful and cool and peaceful about the desert. Joshua Tree. Riley wants to go to a mall. She's not having fun yet. So these Joshua trees, apparently they don't have really low root systems because they don't need much water out here in the desert, and they could live up to 500 years. Apparently there's one that's like 1,000 years old. So I did more research on the U2 album Joshua Tree, and apparently it's like a mix of a couple different names, but it does kind of get its name from the biblical name of the trees and stuff like that, and their enjoyment of America while they were torn. So Joshua Tree is a lot of driving. You drive different areas of the park and get out, you walk around. In terms of finances, it's $30 for a vehicle to get in. And basically there's a couple different roads, main roads that you go on. And then there's little parking areas, and you get off and you do what you please. I mean, I would imagine you'd have to watch for all sorts of rattlesnakes and different animals. Depending on where you are in the park, there's different animals. The Mojave area has completely different climate and set of animals versus the Colorado desert area. In the mountains, there's mountain lions. You have like bighorn sheep, all sorts of rattlesnakes and reptiles. Riley won't stop talking about Build-A-Bear at a mall. Look, Luke, Bigfoot. Bigfoot Trail. I don't want to go too far off the trail.
I know, but let's just not go that far.
See ya? Hey, buddy. Just a couple minute drive, it probably warmed up 5 degrees. It's so weird. Now, yeah, he's in his short sleeves. He was in a hoodie. So look up there, you can see at the mountain top, the snow. Just like a little different. So obviously this area reminds us a lot of, Arizona, mixed with the Grand Canyon, and it's got its own unique kind of thing. The Joshua trees are unique to certain areas of the Southwest. You got, obviously, this is the highest concentration, but you also have them in Arizona and little areas of Utah as well. You see our car over there somewhere. Luke is feeling brave, so we're gonna see if we can get up this mountain.
How high are you?
Pretty high. See Mommy and Riley? Staying in the car.
Crying.
There's people up there.
Oh yeah, wow. Look at that, Luke. See the rock climbers all the way up there?
Oh yeah.
Wow. It's crazy.
Mountain looks like a sleeping giant face.
Where's the skull?
There's Skull Rock.
Go.
Oh, that's cool. Very cool.
It's creepy.
It is.
I don't think that's good.
Skull Rock looked like a skull cone head. So this is the Jumbo Rocks section because it has jumbo rocks. Very smooth rocks here.
Coming out.
The door, Riley. Sit wait for me.
You gonna do a little hiking, Riley?
We gonna go.
Whee!
I don't know.
This kid's getting too big for his britches.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Stay low to the ground.
Stay with Daddy.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Put your
No, you're
hands.
not.
One foot. Other foot.
Looks like a monkey. Spider-Man. Go, Riley.
I'm gonna bite in there.
Stand together, guys.
Sun setting.
I want you guys to stand
Absolutely
together.
beautiful views. Can't ask for much more.
There's people camping over here.
Careful. Smells good.
There. Okay.
Does smell good.
Smells like barbecue. I like barbecue. Ew.
Kind of cool. Kid's a rock climber. Hi, Luke.
Hi.
Boulders are pretty cool. Just like balancing right here. This one's on too.
Careful, careful.
These kids are getting very daring.
Luke's a little Riley. She's right behind him. Wow, look up. You said you were gonna climb the mountain.
That's
Look
right.
at the views.
Oh, very cool.
Wow.
Pretty high now for us. We're not professional daredevils.
I would. I'm gonna try to go up.
It's really beautiful.
Oh, I can't come up.
You wanna get up where Daddy and brother are?
Yeah, come on with me.
Okay.
Ah, got a kid. Yeah.
Just stand there and just hold it up. Fried rock.
So all in all, Joshua Tree is absolutely spectacular. We didn't get to do everything because of time, but it's absolutely beautiful. The winter months are cooler, but that's the season to go. The snakes are dormant. It's like a nocturnal environment, so there's not many crazy things that want to hurt us right now. But there's a lot of people who camp here, which is interesting. But all in all, it's a great place. Like I said, $30 a car to come in. You can camp here for more than that. If you're into camping and hiking and all that, you can spend a lot of time here. There's a lot of areas. It's huge. It's over 700,000 acres, I believe. But it's definitely worthwhile if you're in Southern California and you like this kind of thing. You know, we had a lot of fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like button. Make sure you comment and share if you've ever been to Joshua Tree National Park.
Notification